Well, hello everybody. You know where we're at. Yes, you do. And we're on a field trip. We're going to get some really super cheap game. And you know you want to know. So, like and share the video on your way in. And we're going to do a little game shopping. If you're not one of our crazy friends, well, this is one of Jenny's field trips. And we do this on occasion because you need to know what's going on at your Dollar General, because it's always good stuff. So, like, share the video, and if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. And that way you won't miss any of our field trips, deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. Alright, guys. We have a 3 off of 10 gain store coupon, and we've got some other gain coupons that we can use with that. Like, we've got $1.55 off some gain flings, and then we've got $1 off of some gain softener, and then we got $2.30 off a gain scented small spaces. Okay, all we need to do is spend $10. This is $12 and change right here. Okay, and coming off is going to be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 85 cents, something like that. So we're about to find out what the exact math is when we go pay for it. So this would be a run deal, okay, guys? And I'm saying that because literally these single gains, there's a couple of these left, that's it, okay, for the $3.25. The gain softeners, there's 4 on the shelf. So they've been a run on the gain of late, so you might want to go and do this deal today. And you can do it any day of the week. Yeah, I'm strolling down here to the end to see what else that we might have on the end cap. And again, all we have is the big stuff on the end caps. Oh, look, guys, we have dollar pillies on extra detergent way up top there. You see them? Okay, so we got a gain deal going on. Let's talk about some more laundry while we're here, because you could do this on Saturday and get your extra 3 off on Saturday, and include some other items, detergent items, and get some really good laundry deals, because the Snuggle is on sale for $3.75, and we've got a $1.25 coupon. Lordy, I don't see. Oh, there's some. Okay, this is your right here. This is your best buy when it comes to the Snuggle, because these things are $5. Okay, they're on sale for $3.75. That's a good deal by itself. You're getting a $1.25 coupon. Pick up some Snuggle beads. But if you prefer the Snuggle dryer sheets, something like that, then yeah, do whatever Snuggle turns you on. This one, okay, $12.95. If you purchase this for $15.95, you get this for half price, which is $6 and change off of that. So, oh, that's almost a perfect scenario, because, well, this is a scenario by itself anyway. These 2 items right here, I already told you about these in the last video. That's a scenario all by itself, because that is a coupon. You're already at $28 just with these 2 items. You'll get $6.49, I think it is, off of that, plus your $5. So you'll be getting almost $12 off these 2 items. So basically, it's buying that Tide and getting this for free. So, yeah, that wouldn't work in a scenario, simply because, like I said, it's a scenario within itself. We could do the Suavitel, because you've got a $5 instant savings on the Swabatel and a $1 coupon. And we have $10 Swabatel, and we've got the Swabatel Complete in the $10. I'm not big on the regular Swabatel, but the Swabatel Complete is pretty good. So that is $10. You get $1 off. You need to spend $15. Okay, guys, I even found a better $10 deal for the game. Look at this. This is $7.50. You got a $2 coupon off of this. This is $3.25. You got a $2.30 coupon off of that. So we're only going to be paying, and you have a $3 off when you spend $10. So that's $3, $4, $5, $6, $7.25. It's going to be coming off, and that's going to leave you out of pocket of like $3. Yeah, winner, chicken dinner. It's like buying this and getting this for free. Yep, free stuff. Just like I tell you, free stuff all the time. Okay, sometimes we just got to look around. But if you like the other scenario better, the other scenario would turn out to be about $6. Okay, $2 an item. Again, a good scenario, but to me, not as good as this one, okay? For a couple of reasons. I don't need all that different variety of stuff. This works fine for me. Okay, guys, I'm about to head up to the register and see what I'm going to pay for these two items. This one has a $2 coupon. This one's got a $2.25 coupon, and we have a $3 off. So, out of pocket should be pretty low. We're about to find out. Alright, we're back out in the car, and it was awesome, guys. I want you to look at this. That $7.50 Febreze and the Gain small spaces was less than $4. It was like $3.50. Yes, $3.50. So you cannot beat that. It's like $1.75 an item. Winner, Colonel Sanders dinner. So get out there and go get you some super cheap Gain. And like I said, this is a definite run deal. So if you've got that little Gain coupon, run on down to DG and use it. Blessings, and I'll talk to you again real soon.